it's mail call time. Got my Fiskars scissor here with the bottle opener. Very nice. Let's see what's inside. Sweet. Thanks, Tool Review Zone. Nice looking sticker. And see what we got here. Thank you for all the support you have shown my friend. I don't know, man. Check him out. Tool Review Zone. He's got some awesome reviews with the theatrical twist to them. So check him out. He's on the Home Depot Perspective, so he's reviewing all the latest and greatest tools. Pretty cool projects with this pretty cool flag work he does. Pretty nice. And then there's this guy. I don't know about this guy. If you're a big movie buff and you like tools, then this guy is the right guy for you. Yeah, he's a busy man reviewing all those tools. As you can see, barely had enough time to cut the edge of this. Let me finish off the job here. There we go. Nice and clean. Thanks, Clint. All right, so grab your popcorn. I'll put the link down below. Check his videos out. And to the next one. Later, guys.